Signet, serial number E9686. It was manufactured 1932. At that time, it was very hard in America, so the lawyer decided to manufacture like this typewriter. I already reviewed this one a couple years ago, but this one only the like uppercase, no lowercase. See? Yeah, but this uppercase is very easy to read, very special typeface. So now for the characters, I want to keep this typewriter. But when I bought this one, the lever for the line space, this one was broken. So this part continually getting to down, so it's block turning mechanism, the platen turning mechanism. So I wanted to remove this one because only typewriter they use just the right side knob, couple of them. So I decided to remove this stuff. In order to do that, we need a whole this part take out from the here. So normally it is an easy job, but inside it's totally stuck. It does not move. So I use the hammer and then very sharp one hit this side, then it started to move. Of course, before that we need unscrew around here 2 set screw. Okay, as you know, this one just uppercase, and then no margin setup. I mean the right side margin setup, no margin setup, no tab, no bell. So very simple, right? No, because just one uppercase, no shift key, right? Yeah, but font is, I mean, the typeface is really beautiful. I think this one is better than the Bogo typeface, but the Bogo typeface, good thing is good thing for the Bogo type. There are two things, the uppercase and lowercase, but this one is just like uppercase. So that's why a lot of people like the Bogo type, but this one is a really beautiful typeface. Anyway, also at that time there is the paper bag, so I wanna put the paper bag because without paper bag it's very loud. Every time hit the type any key, it's like this louder. So my idea is very simple. There is like this stuff. It's a clip, but it's called the link clip. So original, I found this one a long time ago at the flea market. One box of them. It's a beautiful shape, like a heart shape, something like that. It's called link clip. I use the left side link clip, and then right side like this one. You can use any color, and then I use this is from the hanger, but you can easily take off this one like this, and then like I put this one just to add the more weight for the bale. So without this, still is okay, but a little bit feeling like light, but still is okay. So like this, you can use it like this, or totally you can remove this part. But anyway, after this paper bag, it's much better to, I mean, for the typing, because it's a hold paper like this. All right, thank you for watching.